How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are moving on to the next chapter in our EVS textbook, that is chapter 7 from the window. This chapter is the continuation of the previous chapter, that is Omena's journey. In our previous class, I told you that Omena boarded the train from Ahmedabad in Gujarat and she had to travel many states to reach our state, Kerala. And we also learned about the people who works inside the train and also in the railway station. So Omena had to travel the states Maharashtra, Goa, Karnataka, and finally she reached our native state, that is her grandmother's house, Kottayam. So this is actually a long journey and she had to travel from Ahmedabad to Kerala. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the second day of Omena's journey. This is really interesting, and shall we move on to the lesson? Okay. Children, now let us see what Omena had noticed during the second day of her journey. It is morning now and Omena reached a place known as Madgaon. That place is in Goa. Children, do you know anything about Goa? Yes, some of you know that. Goa is the smallest state in our country. And what is the capital of Goa? Capital of Goa is Panaji. And it is an important tourist place and it is famous for its beaches. Now, the scene outside is very different from what she noticed on the first day of her journey. The scene outside is very beautiful. It is green everywhere. The fields with red soil and green crops. The hills are covered with green trees. The air is so cooler and it is not so dry as in Ahmedabad. Now, the train reached a level crossing. People and vehicles are waiting on both sides of the level crossing. Allow the train to pass. Children, have you ever seen a level crossing? What do you mean by level crossing? A level crossing is a place where a train crosses the road at the same level. Let me repeat once more. A level crossing is a place where a train crosses the road at the same level. I told you that in the level crossing, people and vehicles are waiting for the train to pass. But there are some lot of noise and smoke from the vehicles, those who are waiting at the level crossing. Children, do you know why there is lots of noise and smoke? The reason is that some people do not switch off the engine of the vehicle while they are waiting at the level crossing. So this is the main reason there is a lot of noise and smoke at the level crossing. Children, do you know how we can reduce the noise of the vehicle and save petrol and diesel? Do you have any guess? Yes. When we are waiting for the level crossing or any signal, we must switch off the engine of the vehicle. First point is that when we are waiting for any signal or level crossing, we must switch off the engine of the vehicle. The second point is that we must service the vehicle properly. Proper servicing help us to reduce the noise of the vehicle as well as we can save fuel. See what happened next. Now, Omena was sitting near the window of the train with her eyes closed. Suddenly, the sound of the moving train changed. She opened her eyes and she knew that her train was crossing over a big river on a long bridge. While crossing the river on a long bridge, the sound of the train changed. The wheels of the train rattled and the sound of the train got changed. Rattled means a disturbing noise. Why the wheels of the train rattled? Because there is no ground, only the tracks and the water below. This scene makes her so much scared. Now let us listen to the sound of the train when it crosses a bridge. After breakfast, Omna climbed on the upper berth to read the comics. It was bright and sunny outside, but suddenly, when all the things became dark, she was so much frightened. Uh, then the light of the train came, but everything outside is very dark. Somebody said that the train is going through the tunnel. Do you have any experience of this type of journey in train? Yes. Tunnels are underground passages dug out through rocks, hills and mountains. Let me repeat once more. Tunnels are underground passages dug out through rock, hills and mountains. And now it is afternoon. For lunch, Omna had idli and vada. The scene outside is also looks very different. They saw many coconut trees, many green fields and many paddy fields. The houses and villages also look very different. The people wear different types of clothes like dhoti and sari. They were about to reach our state Kerala. Our country has different states. In different states, people use different language. Malayalam is the language spoken by the people of Kerala. Konkani is the language spoken by people of Goa. Marathi is the language spoken by the people of Maharashtra. Kannada is the language spoken by the people of Karnataka. And Gujarati is the language spoken by people of Gujarat. So, the people in different states uses different languages. They take different types of food items. The landforms also differ. They wear different types of clothes, etc. So, in our country, we have different states and people in these different states use different languages, different food items. That landforms are different and also they wear different types of clothes. Omna's family started packing up their luggage. The train will reach Cotton within 3 hours, where Omna's family had to get off. From there, they will go to their Valliyamma's house, and after that, they will go to their Ammuma's village. They are also very tired, so that Omna keep away a diary, and she will start again after she reaches Ammuma's village. So now let us see the relationship of the family members. Your father's mother is known as grandmother. Like that, your mother's mother is also known as grandmother. Your father's sister is known as auntie, and your mother's elder sister is known as Valliyamma, and younger sister is known as Kunyamma. So, these are the main points in this lesson. Let us summarize. What is level crossing? A place where a railway line crosses a road at the same level. The next question is how we can save petrol and diesel of vehicle. Switch off the engine while waiting, service the vehicles, prefer walking for short distance, use public transport instead of private. By these ways, we can save petrol and diesel. Then about tunnels. Tunnels are underground passages dug out through rocks, hills and mountains. Now let us see. The route from Goa to Kerala has a total of 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? Can you answer this question? The route of Goa to Kerala, the train has to pass through sea coast, many water bodies and hills. So to cross them, there are so many bridges and tunnels. Here we concluded this chapter. The main points we discussed are what is level crossing, how we can reduce the noise of the vehicle and how to save fuel of the vehicle. Then we learn about what is tunnels. Then we learn the different languages spoken by people of different states. Then the relationship of family members. So these are the main points in this lesson. So children, you have to read the textbook and notes will be given and you have to complete the notes and send the notes on time. Okay children, thank you.